Tesla's advanced project management, accelerating the future. Tesla is well known as an electric car developer, not only for its groundbreaking products but also for its early-stage project management techniques, which are deemed superior to most restoration projects.
Before we start moving forward, make sure to subscribe channel and click on the bell icon. Sprint Seal provides training programs, certification programs on their websites. If you're interested in them, do check out the links in the description.
The company's ambitions to accelerate the world's transition from fossil fuels demonstrate a degree of devotion that is beyond what one would expect from a corporation. The Tesla project management philosophy is centered on the purpose of achieving success in developing EVs and energy goods with software, all of which are driven by the vision. The essence of project management in Tesla. The utility-scale project program manager at Tesla is responsible for the engineering, design, construction, and commissioning of utility-scale projects. The role is responsible for completing projects on schedule, with quality, and under budget, after which they are turned over to the Tesla service team. There are various reasons why Tesla excels in project management. Employee training. Tesla teaches its staff the fundamentals of project management, basically delegating tasks to employees and providing them with various levers to pull without direct supervision, allowing them to do a large amount of work quickly and consistently. Agile methodology. Tesla employs agile procedures, which are a standard way of working in software development but have been adapted over greater distances and items that do not change as often in manufacturing contexts. Sustainability integration. Sustainability, as Tesla defines it, is a pillar of project management practice that, for example, focuses on environmental practices included throughout construction through waste disposal. Program management. Tesla program managers handle various projects within the scope of program objectives in order to deliver on schedule and satisfy expectations. Tesla's agile approach to project management. Tesla employs agile project management to improve agility and flexibility. Agile, originally for software development, lies at the heart of Tesla's physical production methods, a little of everything, but with fundamental principles. Iterative development. Tesla uses iterative testing from the start to identify improvements early in the product cycle and make incremental modifications with each prototype. Quick mailing. The agile technique helps Tesla keep up with market and consumer demands. Iterative development. Tesla often has many versions of its product in the field that are operating concurrently, allowing for product experimentation. Minimal hierarchy. Tesla has an extremely minimal chain of command. Engineers may cut through layers to reach any team member, even Elon Musk. Self-organizing teams. Teams will form around the difficulties and work until the problem is resolved. Choice autonomy. Teams are entirely autonomous and may make any choice as long as it is consistent with Tesla's DNA. It employs problem solvers, forms teams using open space technology, and integrates integrated software-hardware teams with required testing on all projects. Key pillars of Tesla's project management strategy. Here are the pillars of Tesla project management that have protected them from breaking apart and rolling into the water to generate game-changing, sustainable goods. Employee training. Cutting-edge initiatives need that Tesla teach its staff to do complex duties, guaranteeing that employees can accomplish their jobs efficiently. End-to-end responsibility. Tesla is accountable for the whole product life cycle in order to meet its innovation and sustainability goals. Prepare for the next level. In the production process, Tesla uses software upgrades to introduce new product features and correct problems without the need for user participation. Quality management. Comprehensive quality management would span the entire life cycle from manufacturing quality to customer engagement, it must be excellent. Inventory management. Strategic inventory management is critical for keeping costs under control and manufacturing processes running smoothly. Marketing. Tesla is focusing its digital marketing efforts on sustainability, with the goal of eliminating the use of fossil fuels in the future. Change management. Tesla's remarkable change management skills have reduced the time required to transition from oil to electric vehicles, EVs. Technology's impact on Tesla's success. The role of technology in Tesla has improved significantly, and because of this, Tesla has seen great success globally. In Tesla's cars, we can see many advanced technological updates. Battery technology. Batteries in Tesla vehicles meet high criteria of performance, safety, and cost effectiveness. Other manufacturers have increased their investment in battery research and development because of their energy density and efficiency.
If you found this video informative and useful, we'll always bring new concepts explained for you, so stay tuned with SprintSeal, and if you like the video, do share. If have any doubts or queries, do let us know in the comment section. Use the coupon code YouTube10 in our website to get 10% off on all our courses.